So this tutorial will be about the AI patrol. So the AI will follow a specific path. To start, we need an AI, so a C AI here. So I set it to Soldier Elite, but the important part is this one. The goal set need to be set to patrol. And then what I want to do is, I want also to, you can here right click, add new space, which will create those folder here. And the AI infrastructure, you want to go in AI node and press F3 to make it the main folder to create the object in. Then I will center marker on my AI and I will decide from the top view where I want to place my first node. So here, Control K to add object, AI node patrol. And then I have hit here. I can set already my next patrol node, like here by copy pasting the name here and call it 01 because that's the next one. Then I can copy this, Control C, and pass it to the next location. Hold X to put marker, Control V, there. That's the next one. And every time I will rename the next node. This one is 2. And 2 will go there. So Control V. Then this next one will be 3. And finally, the last one here, Control V. That's 3. But this one will point to the first one to make a loop. So this one is 0, 0. And then we must tell the AI to use the patrol path. So configure AI, and we put the initial node, we set it to AI node patrol 00, which is the name of the first patrol node. And alignment, I set it to good character for like better testing, so it don't attack me. And I press OK, and that's it. I can now test this. So I might not appear like too close, but I think it will be okay. So he's here, and he's going to the first node, then the second node, and then we'll just follow the path we set. We'll jump there because there's like a hole. And once he arrives at the last node, he will just keep looping around the path like that. So this is it for this tutorial. The next one we'll check about how to make it go to different places like more randomly.